Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Today we are making grilled tilapia fish. So just so you know guys, my fish is washed already, clean, and it's ready to use. To my subscribers, your girl is grateful. For those of you that recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. First, I season my fish with some bouillon cubes. Guys, let me tell you something. If you want your grilled fish to come out really nice and super tasty, I would recommend you season it very well. Okay, you have to season it very well. You have to be generous when you are seasoning your fish, just so it comes out super tasty and yummy. So next, I'll add some salt, some barbecue seasoning. At this point, I'll create an incision in the fish. Add some fish seasonings, some paprika powder, some onion powder, barbecue sauce. I will go ahead and brush some barbecue sauce on the fish. Brush some sweet chili sauce as well. This right here guys will take your grilled fish to another level. So next I'll add some HP sauce. I call this a game changer when it comes to grilled fish. I'll cover with a cling film and then marinate for about 3 hours. Set aside. Now let's prep our ingredients. As fresh garlic and ginger, I've got some scotch bonnet pepper, I have red bell peppers in there. I've got some long bell peppers, onions, some spring onions, and of course parsley, fresh parsley and coriander leaves. I will transfer all the ingredients into a food processor. You can use blender if you want. Add some vegetable oil. Yeah, look at that, guys. This is how I love it, roughly chopped. In a pot, I will add some vegetable oil. Add some chopped onions. Give that a good stir. Add the roughly chopped pepper mix. And then I'll add some bouillon cubes, some salt, some fish seasoning, and some curry powder. After cooking for about 20 minutes, guys, my pepper mix is ready. I'll allow it to cool down a bit before coating my fish. When you are grilling fish, guys, you have to be super generous when coating the fish so that the ingredients will penetrate into the fish. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your comments, your likes. Thank you for liking my videos. You are the best, guys, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe already, please, okay? So I'll go ahead and transfer the fish into a preheated oven. After 45 minutes, guys, my grilled tilapia fish is ready. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful, guys. So let's taste our fish. Absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. This tastes really good. I feel like it's a must try, guys. It's a must try. You should try this recipe already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.